Hello, I'm Paul Israel, founder and president of Sunlight Solar RV. We're here to talk about solar panels for your RV. An RV usually runs off of 12 volts, and you want to make sure that your solar panel is a 12 volt nominal panel. And the way to know that is to look at the label of a solar panel. If you look at the solar panel label, it will generally tell you that it's a 12 volt panel. That's good for your RV. And you can see the different sizes. Space is always a consideration, or real estate is always at a minimum on top of an RV. So panels come in different configuration. As you can see, this one right here, it's long and skinny, so it can sit down the side of the RV. This is a great panel, as it probably won't be shaded by the AC shroud or other obstacles on top of an RV. This is actually the same wattage as this one. However, you can see by the smaller footprint that it's a much more efficient solar panel. When buying solar panels, it's important to count the number of cells. Lower cell wattage panels will be less expensive, but you don't want those. You need a higher cell count on your solar panel to properly charge your RV batteries. That's why if someone offers you a panel that's much less expensive, make sure to count the solar cells to make sure you're getting proper solar charging. Let's sum up what we've learned so far. When you're picking a solar panel for your RV, make sure that you count your solar panel cells, that you look at the label, and that you determine what kind of shape you have on top of your RV, because solar panels come in many different shapes. If you'd like more information about solar for your RV, you can reach us at sunlightsolar-rv.com.